Hi, I'm Paul Wealls. Firstly, thank you to Pooja and the team for inviting me to share my insight today. I've been involved in IoT in various capacities since 2007, starting in Australia where I worked for Telstra Enterprise and Government. Today I am a product manager for ADLINk, an edge computing hardware and software company that has over 20 years experience in edge computing. I lead an important product in our product portfolio that enables edge AI vision. VisAI is a triple award-winning dev kit that comes with the hardware and IoT edge software to quickly enable you to build your POC and easily move to production. I'm the editor of Go250.ai, an ADLINk community website enabling edge AI vision, and being the founder of IoT North, which I started as a small local IoT meetup in Newcastle and has now grown to well over 3,000 members across the world. I host the monthly virtual meetup and enable businesses to get a North in IoT. I'm a proud father to 2 grown-up children and have been aspiring to play the guitar since I was 12 years old. I know how to make a noise, that's for sure, but I don't know how to put out a tune. Today's agenda: Edge AI vision as a sensor, the problem, how we develop the solution, the outcomes, how you can get there, and some questions at the end. Edge AI vision is a rapidly growing branch of AI that gives machine sight that is comparable to our own. The advancements made in the field of machine vision is down to researchers applying specialized neural networks to help machines identify and understand images from the real world. Edge computing enables AI to compute at the edge, which enables the data to get to and from where it needs to, when it needs to, be it on the device, to devices in the same proximity, network, or to wherever you host your data, be it in the cloud or on-premise. The combination of all these technologies enables you to build and deploy highly scalable and viable IoT services to deliver fantastic ROIs. Vision as a sensor is accelerating in adoption due to the huge leaps in technology to enable the images still in moving to be leveraged as a sensor in more use cases than ever before, enabling Industry 4.0 with safety, security, asset management, robotics, and autonomy. One of the great things about vision is that most businesses already have cameras set up for security that can be leveraged as part of the ecosystem for certain use cases. One of our clients, a large distribution center for meat products, were losing revenue due to human error and traditional methods using manual barcode scanning. Boxes were placed on the wrong pallets but were being logged as being on the correct one, but were on the wrong pallets going to the wrong state and inevitably being lost and unretrievable. We listened to the customer, we attended an on-site assessment, we listened to the business, we listened to the experienced people in the business area. These guys knew the pain points beyond the high-level business impact. We understood the what and its impacts. We then investigated the why. Why were mistakes being made? Which we discovered were not technology issues, they were also human issues, fatigue and back pain from constantly bending, which led to mistakes and personnel not being focused on the job at hand. We then assessed what data needed to be collected and how it could be used. To ensure there was minimal loss of investment in legacy services of the customer, we also looked at the systems the client needed to integrate to solve the problem. ADLINk is a large company. We turn over 500 million a year and we have 3,000 employees globally, but we do not have all the expertise. So we work with our growing network of AI and system integrator partners to ensure, as a collective, we deliver the best solution for our customer. Together we can deliver phenomenal solutions quite quickly. We started with an experiment. We set up an experiment replicating our customers with pallets. We set up cameras above to record the activity. We connected the cameras to a VisAI dev kit to collect the data and deliver it in the cloud, hosting the data. This enabled the data to be used to create the AI models and machine learning. We needed to show the machine what a box was using thousands of images, different positions, shading, etc. We then taught it a box with a label, and then a box with a barcode. We then enabled it to read the barcode. We then integrated it into ADLINk Edge platform to the inventory system and all the other systems that needed to be connected and enable the computing on the device at the edge. The team built out a solution that enabled the cameras to not only know what a box was with machine learning, it also recognized if it was the right way around, if it had a label on it, and to read the barcode on the label, all running at the edge on the devices. We then enabled the connectivity of the data to read and write to the inventory system To enable this to run quickly and in real time, we leveraged edge computing hardware and software to ensure the data between all the devices delivered without any latency and bandwidth issues. If you imagine that computing needs to be in real time, and at the edge to ensure the speed without latency and bandwidth challenges, the machine is recognizing an object and converting this data into a format that a machine can understand. It is then checking if it's on the right pallet and then logging on the inventory system. If the package is on the right pallet, it will be registered on the inventory as being on the correct pallet and flash green. If it's on the wrong pallet, it will flash red and be marked as being on the wrong pallet on the inventory. When it's moved from the incorrect pallet, it will then see that it has been moved and remove it from the inventory from the wrong pallet it was originally on, and will then recognize it being on the correct pallet, flash green, and update the inventory, all in real time. So we find collecting data and treating the experience as an experiment works really well. The experiment enables the skeleton structure to build out an industry-grade solution easily by using the ADLINk Edge platform at the core of the solution. ADLINk Edge makes it very easy to scale out and into production and across your operation. This is done by having a number of core capabilities that enable easy configuration and integration. Working with one of our clients, we enable them with the ADLINk smart palletization solution for the distribution of their meat products. This is a statement from the customer. The key ROI takeaways are that it enabled a return of investment of approximately 1,106% over 3 years, a quick break-even point of 7 months of their investment, and a cost-benefit ratio indicating that for every $1 invested, customers should expect a return of $12.10 by 2022. Over a 5-year horizon, that ratio improves to $23.70 per $1 invested. I'm sure you'll agree that's pretty impressive. You can extend these types of solutions to enable a service like we did with Evans Distribution. Working with Evans Distribution, building on the same blueprint of the smart palletization solution, but we evolved it to the contents of the box, rather than the box itself, as the methodology is the same. In this example, we taught the system to ensure that the contents were correct before the boxes were sealed and ready for palletization. The original process for the cookie boxes was a very manual one, using humans to check. This has a risk of accuracy due to fatigue and distraction. This ended in orders suffering errors due to utilizing temporary staff and a lack of logging of the boxes pre-delivery for QA purposes. The solution enables the box's contents to be validated against the stored manifest to ensure that the contents are correct prior to distribution. The solution also takes a picture of the box and is stored in Evans' system for QA purposes. As you can see, the solution identifies the cookie boxes by their color and shape. The color represents their flavor. This then checks against the inventory list for that order. If it's correct, it flashes green and it takes an image of the order for quality assurance. If it's wrong, it flashes red and the box is removed and corrected. This is all logged in the inventory system in real time. Simple, but very, very effective. The potential outcomes of AI are both imaginable and unimaginable. Immediately, one can think of possibilities that AI creates with automation across a vast array of fields and industries, from manufacturing to personal transportation, with huge opportunities to lower cost of technology by leveraging existing camera systems and making them smart. With the current global pandemic, the use of machine vision could enable businesses to get back into production quicker and safer. It can enable temperature checks of people, correct social distancing measures, PPE being worn, and automation of worker safety. We've enabled safety measures already in the oil and gas industry, ensuring personnel don't lose limbs by being in the wrong place at the wrong time, and also wearing the right equipment. ADLINk Edge has a number of connected applications which are available in ADLINk Marketplace. These are configured with our intuitive profile builder. ADLINk Edge sits at the core of connectivity. We enable simple configuration to your existing and new technology investments with the power of edge computing. Get started with Vizi AI. It's a combination of the ADLINk hardware, a smart board with Atom chip and Intel Movidius X AI accelerator. You also get the ADLINk Edge platform with the Vision apps included to start building your experiment to test and learn very quickly and easily. Getting started with the Edge AI Vision Dev Kit Vizi AI, the Dev Kit enables you to collect data and run your models at the edge, then progress to configuring the connectivity for the output you are looking for. It helps you start gaining the experience and value of integrating machine vision with the power of edge computing. VisAI is a gateway product to the bigger production opportunities, easily migrating your configuration to industrial-grade hardware with the software you've already configured using the ADLINk Edge platform. It really is easy for you to migrate with the tested software and model configurations to production hardware with minimal development required. We have developed Go250.ai, an Edge AI Vision community website. Please do follow and join the community to learn and share your insight and experiences with the Go250.ai community. Register to join the community forum, forum.go250.ai, read a blog, be inspired, and share your experiences. We're always looking for content to share, and we will share that across our social profiles of ADLINk, IoT, and Go250. So the takeaways I'd like to leave with you. VisAI is a developer solution that provides our SIs with the tools to quickly deliver AI technology with quick and high-value ROI for their customers. Remember the statement from the client that we had, their return of investment of approximately 1,106% over 3 years. VisAI can help you accelerate the sales cycle to win big and win quicker. And also, as a business, to get your return of investment turned around very quickly and create autonomy and efficiencies as well as safety. Become part of IoT North. We are working hard to enable everyone to collaborate and give businesses a North in IoT. I host a monthly virtual meetup on the first Tuesday of every month, and anyone is welcome to attend or talk. The website is iotnorth.uk, as you see on the screen, but we also have the meetup that you can find as IoT North, Newcastle, Manchester, and Leeds. You can register for any of them or on the website, and we will get in touch with updates of the events. If you would like to talk at the event, and we have a regular large attendance, please do register and contact us through the website. I will now open for questions.